This story is about how I, as a white person, witnessed racial discrimination and began to understand a small part of what it meant to be a person of color in America. It was an incident during my senior year of college when I was student teaching. I was planning a poetry unit, and I wanted to do an activity with tone using color, so I went to Lowe's for some paint chips. Now, those are just small pieces of paper that show you what your paint colors might actually look like on your walls, and I didn't see a price tag marked anywhere, so I assumed they were free. I took several of them in every color to make sure I had enough, put them in my purse, and began to make my way toward the exit. I thought to myself that if they weren't really free, then the alarm would go off, the cashiers would stop me, and I would simply explain my mistake and pay, an assumption that also shows my ignorance. Well, I did walk out the door, but at the exact same time, a young African-American man in a hoodie walked through the door with me, and the alarm did go off. Even though there was no visible bulge under the man's hoodie, and even though I knew I was carrying something in my purse that I only assumed was free, and even though we walked through the door at the exact same time when the alarm went off, the immediate rush of 3 cashiers went directly after the black man in the hoodie. I even stopped and asked if they wanted to check my purse, but they waved me away and said, "Oh no, it's not you," and continued following the man to his car. I don't know what happened after that. I'm ashamed to say that I left because I didn't know what else I could do. Maybe the man did steal something. I learned later that the paint chips actually were free, so I had been right. But it disturbed me that the two of us, in the exact same place, at the exact same time, with the exact same opportunity to take something, were not treated with the same amount of suspicion. And that was when I realized, truly, what a different experience it is to be non-white in America.